to contribute in the fintech space, you're supposed to take economics, maths is a good combination. If you can take economics, maths, and computer science, both, you've got a winning combination again. Okay? Now, when you go to the medical side, okay, a lot of people associate medicine only with being a doctor. Okay, medicine is also very good. If you're planning to go international, then you could become a healthcare worker. Nursing is very, very highly paid. 60% of the nurses in Australia are male, they are not female, and they are paid at par with doctors. So if you take medical, if you want to go to Canada particularly, please take maths, because it will not allow you to do nursing even, they will not allow you to do physiotherapy, they will not allow you to do any such thing without maths. Okay? So, generally I'll repeat myself, students, if you're good at non-medical, please take non-medical, because it's going to be very, very useful for you. But the difference is that with non-medical, take computer science, because computer science is going to dominate and become the spine of all professions. Every career will have coding. Coding will be the new language. जैसे आज के दिन में हम ABCD learn करते हैं, आगे जाके वो coding होगा, right? So without coding, it will become very, very difficult to operate. By end, also while you're doing your non-medical, interesting to read about subjects like computer science, AI, robotics, mechatronics, environmental engineering, marine engineering, water resource management. These are the new engineering fields. वो पुराना वाला mechanical, civil, industrial, metallurgy, mining, ये सब खत्म होता जा रहा है, right? That is why children are not getting placements even from engineering college. ठीक है? अगर आप कॉमर्स लेते हैं, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड कि बैंकिंग में टेक्नोलॉजी आ गई है, ठीक है? अगर आप टेक सेवी नहीं होंगे तो आप बैंकिंग में बेसिकली या तो लोन बेच रहे होंगे या आप कैशियर के आगे नहीं जाएंगे. अगर आप मैनेजर भी बनेंगे तो typically it will be difficult for you because 90% of it is all digitalization. That is why all these IIT, IIM guys are dominating the banks. So it's extremely important to understand ये जो हम commerce, economics, accounts और physical education ले लेते हैं, इसका कोई फायदा नहीं होने वाला आगे जाके. Please take commerce, economics, business studies and maths. If you can't take maths, then you don't like maths, take computer science. If you take liberal arts, please include subjects like economics, maths and psychology. बाकी sociology, history, political science, इसमें काम ढूंढना आगे जाके आपको बहुत बहुत मुश्किल लगने वाला है, right? Then comes medicine. Those students who take medical, very good. But like I said, if you are planning to go abroad, then it's very important to take medical with maths, okay? Because they're not going to give you even nursing unless you have maths, okay? And so you have to be very careful on that front. I think that should, the way the careers are going in the future, like I said, they'll be very tech-driven. Technology will continue to dominate from one corner. They'll even dominate medicine. You know, if you notice, the government of India said कि homeopathic और ayurvedic doctors जो हैं, वो surgery कर सकते हैं. They could say that why? Because 90% of the surgery is already become robotic. वो हाथ वाली surgery खत्म होती जा रही है, right? So that means if anyone knows how to operate a machine, they'll be capable of doing surgeries, which means the value of medicine will go down unless you are tech savvy, okay? And that is why it's very important to take maths with biology, okay? Psychology is going to become a very interesting subject of the future, but only abroad, not so much in India. Okay, so it's a very highly paid line overseas. But with psychology, you must take maths. If you can take psychology, maths, and bio, that's a very, very good combination. बाकी मुश्किल लगेगा बाहर जाके भी, because बाहर also students are not getting jobs even after studying and spending so much money. They're all driving taxis and doing labor primarily because they haven't been careful earlier. You see, the job market is going to go through a huge, huge change, and parents and students should be very careful. about what decisions they take at this point of time. If there's anything that you want to ask me, please go ahead.
Excuse me.
Anji? Hello? Hello? Anyone wants to ask me anything?
Hello, Rajni.
Yeah,
That was really good because you gave us. I think some children have also joined from their homes. Those who was planning to join class 11 here.
So they can ask me if you want.
If anyone has any questions, please ask.
किसी को कुछ पूछना है तो प्लीज गो अहेड पेरेंट्स और चिल्ड्रन
Ma'am?
Anji, yes?
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, the way, ma'am, you have told that many things will be going to be digitalized. If, ma'am, it will not be if someone wants to go in defense, like.
In the army? Okay, by the way, I come from an army background. Okay?
Yes.
Army
Yeah.
is probably going to get impacted by technology the most. Okay? The infantry wala day is now kind of closing up. Okay? Yes, in India, infantry will be used to protect borders and all, but even infantry will be forced to use a lot of technology. So within the army, you want to do well, it is good to go into the army with the science background rather than go into the army with the arts background.
Ma'am, like if I want to go in Indian Air Force as a pilot, so.
It's better to have non-medical than to have any other subject. Yeah. Yeah, they are not going to let you because you see what is happening with all airplanes is there's a lot of AI and robotics that's coming in, right? There's so much of technology now. Pilots को बहुत कम काम करना पड़ता है. 90% of the work is done by technology. So to have arts background and think you're going to join the Air Force is going to be very difficult for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Or
Although I'm taking non-medical.
Yeah, you should. Yeah, you should take non-medical with computer science if you're ready to work hard.
Yes, ma'am. I have I have taken all the 6 subjects.
Yeah, that is very nice. Yeah. All the best. Thank you. Anyone else?
Excuse me,
Anji? Asta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, any guidance related business management is computer science important?
बेटा बिजनेस में अगर आप मार्केटिंग लेते हो तो मार्केटिंग भी पुराना वाला मार्केटिंग तो खत्म हो गया ना. All the marketing is now digital, है ना? When is the last time when you saw all the top companies advertising even on television? जितनी भी टेलीविजन में एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स हैं वो नॉर्मली या तो फार्मास्यूटिकल कंपनीज कर रहे हैं या नॉर्मली यूनिवर्सिटीज कर रहे हैं या इवन गवर्नमेंट कर रही है. That's because marketing has changed. It's gone towards the digital side. So अगर आप बिल्कुल ही वो नॉर्मल बिजनेस स्टडीज विद फिजिकल एजुकेशन लेने की कोशिश करोगे तो आगे जाके तो आपको प्रॉब्लम आएगी ही आएगी. जॉब्स की प्रॉब्लम इंडिया में बहुत ज़्यादा आने वाली है, राइट? बिकॉज इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स आर रिफ्यूजिंग टू अडेप्ट. And because they are refusing to adapt, the government is also trying. You see, the government is trying to say, please computer science 7th से start करो, coding 7th से start करो. क्यों बोल रहा है? Because उनको पता है the future will belong to children who are tech savvy. So don't be scared of technology. So even if you're taking commerce, business studies and accounts, if you can combine it with maths, brilliant. If you're scared of maths, then take computer science. ठीक है? Even finance is totally digitalized, बेटा. आपके टाइम तक जब तक आप बड़े होंगे, जब तक आप जॉब मार्केट में जाएंगे, लेट्स से 10 years from now, तो बैंकिंग तो ऐसे दिखेगी नहीं. ऑलरेडी कितना चेंज है. कितने लोग बैंक में जाके काम करते हैं, सारे नेट बैंकिंग यूज करते हैं, सारे डिजिटल जाता जा रहा है. जैसे जैसे सारा कुछ डिजिटलाइज होगा तो ऑब्वियसली वो पुराने वाले कॉमर्स और इको वाले बच्चे वो फेज आउट हो जाएंगे, राइट? कॉमर्स अगर आप एक आर्टिकल पढ़ना चाहते हो तो जस्ट गूगल इम्पैक्ट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी ऑन द प्रोफेशन ऑफ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी.
No, ma'am, not
अगर
from
आप
commerce side.
From which side you want to approach it?
Ma'am, actually I searched and I found that you can do that IIM indoors thing after class 12th by that IP MET test. So I was just thinking about that first BBA, then MBA, then good placement from IIM.
Yeah, I wish life was that simple. Yeah, I wish that life was that simple. It isn't. It's extremely to look at the students before they go in for their selection, right? So what subjects do you propose to take, Asta?
Ma'am, I was taking like arts, like political science, economics, mathematics, computer science.
Yeah.
From
So
arts
as long
side.
as yeah, that's all right. आपने फिर मेरी I think पहला वाला bit नहीं सुना, where I said if you are not keen to approach it from the commerce side, if you're doing it from the humanities side, if you keep the combination of economics, maths, and computer science, then you're safe to go. Your
Yes.
other subject would be pol science or anything. That's not a problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
Instead of pol science, if you can take sociology, that would be much better.
Ma'am, it was a compulsory subject in school, so
Ah,
I
oh.
have to take it.
Pol science, as long as you have eco, math, and computer science, because eco, math, and computer science converts to a new branch which is called fintech. It's called financial technology, what all the IIMs are focusing on right now.
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
Otherwise, they will not get jobs. Period.
Okay.
काम नहीं मिलेगा. आगे, who else? Taranjot, yes, बोलो.
I actually want to do aerospace engineering and in the earlier competition,
I can't hear you very. I can't hear you very clearly, Taranjot.
So I want to do aerospace engineering.
What do you want to do?
Aerospace engineering.
Aerospace engineering
Yeah. With
Okay.
AI.
with AI.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. So in any case, then you should take physics, chemistry, math, and computer science.
Yes, so I took the non-medical with computer science.
Yeah, very good. Yeah. Though of course you might want to do a rethink on aerospace engineering, because aerospace engineering is not getting the kind of jobs that we used to get about 10 years back. That's primarily because aerospace is getting very AI and robotic driven. So the manpower requirement for aerospace engineering is going down drastically. So my advice to you would be take career counseling before you choose it in college. Okay? India में करोगे तो jobs तो है ही नहीं. Eventually आप coding ही करोगे India में. अभी आप राइट ट्रैक पे हो बेटा. आपने ठीक सब्जेक्ट्स लिए हैं, फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, मैथ एंड कंप्यूटर साइंस. बाद में जब आप 12th में आएंगे तब आप एक बार करियर काउंसलिंग जरूर करा लेना टू अंडरस्टैंड कि व्हाट इज द फ्यूचर. ओके,
Okay.
नेक्स्ट हु एल्स?
Rhythm, Manraj,
हु एल्स?
you can ask. You can
Hello?
go ahead.
Children, please speak up, and parents, we request you to please ask questions because time is running out.
Good morning, ma'am. Excuse me.
Yeah,
I wanted to
Rahul.
ask that is commerce with maths a better option or commerce with psychology is better?
Commerce with maths better.
Okay.
You combining commerce with psychology is you're neither here neither there. Keep psychology in the humanities space. So if you're choosing that combination, then you can take psychology, eco, math, and computer science. That's a winning combination because it takes you towards fintech. It also takes you towards psychoanalysis and business analytics. Okay,
Yes.
and even from consumer behavior and behavioral science, which is the new forward-looking area. But taking psychology with commerce better will not get you anywhere.
Okay, ma'am. What were the subjects? Economics, maths.
Economics, maths, computer science, and psychology.
Okay. Thank you.
And then you know what you all should do? You all should take career counseling because ये careers बहुत ज़्यादा evolve हो रहे हैं, right? Because you know, just yesterday I was talking to a student who's got psychology and maths and computer science, and she's going to do cognitive science. So cognitive science is a combination of psychology with computer science, and cognitive science is taking you towards human-computer interaction, which is going to be like very, very big going into the future. अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा पंजाब के कॉलेजेस को देख के चलोगे तो बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा आपको आगे जाके, राइट? सो बी वेरी स्मार्ट एंड मेक श्योर दैट यू डू वेरी वेल. Of course, we are always there to help you in whichever way possible. Okay? So, Rahul, you're on the right track, darling.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, Manraj.
Okay. Next,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Shiv Shankar, Paul, right?
Yeah, no.
This.
Ma'am, actually, Manraj. Yeah, you can start.
Ma'am, if someone
Yeah,
wants to
Manraj.
means like enter into music industry or something like that,
I can't hear you, Dita. I just can't hear you at all.
ma'am, am I audible? Ma'am, am I audible?
Much better. Hanji, bolo.
Yeah. If someone wants to be like in the music industry or something like that, what should be what he or she should take, ma'am?
In the music industry,
Yeah, ma'am.
okay. Now, when you talk about music industry, is it in terms of singing or is it in terms of music direction? Is it in case of making music? What
Ma'am,
do you
music production and singing.
Hanji?
Ma'am, music production and singing both.
Ah, okay. If you take music, see, my advice to you, beta, is that singing and music production, I'm not saying that you should not do it. It's extremely competitive, one. The second is, let me explain it to you like that. An engineer, if he decides to become a singer and doesn't do well in singing, he can go back to engineering. पर अगर आप पढ़ाई नहीं करोगे and you just say कि मेरे को सिर्फ singing करनी है, music production करना है, you are exposing yourself to a great amount of risk, right? Isn't it?
Yeah.
That is why you see most of, like I have a student who studied at Boston University, great singer. From there she has become a singer. She actually has joined a particular band in LA and she likes it. But look at the confidence that the child goes from. She was a topper in her university, so she knows that, hey, if the singing career takes off, I'm going to give it a year and a half. If it doesn't, I'm going to go back to banking. Okay, so so my suggestion to all children who are taking offbeat career choices and are looking at career choices which are more talent-based and which are more art-based, frankly, try to mitigate or reduce your risk as much as you can by studying hard in school and making sure you go to good colleges. And singing is something you can do anyways, beta. If it takes off, then you take singing as a career. If it doesn't, then you know that you have a backup plan. Don't you think that will be better?
Yes, ma'am, but some means like we could do masters in music. We could study that also, and we can.
Yeah, but masters in music, by the way, it doesn't in India. Masters in music can also be studied. A whole lot of my students who've done masters in music while studying in college. Okay, you don't have to attend college. उससे आपके career limitations बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएंगे. But like if you think you are supremely talented and if you think this is all that you want to do in life and you are ready to take the risk, then you follow the music side of it. Okay, but otherwise I would say at least कुछ कर लो ताकि आपका music जो है वो साथ में चलता रहे. And if that takes off, then you take off. But if it doesn't take off for some reason, then at least you have a backup plan. At least as a counselor and as a parent, that would be my advice. Because even in music production, there's so much of usage of technology right now.
Yes.
You'll be shocked. Yeah. They can actually coders produce music now. You see some of these guys, they're supremely talented. Anji.
Hello, yeah ma'am. Good afternoon. I am speaking on behalf of my son, Rhythm. Actually, sorry to say, but he is not that much interested in studies. And he wants to either go into sports, like he is a good football player, or otherwise he is more keen towards gaming, like any app development or something like that. So what is the best possible combination that he can take up?
Okay, so the first thing that my advice, because my son also plays sports, okay, and he plays sports professionally, so I do know that the risk involved, okay, the stress also involved, okay, so I always advise students that please carry your studies with your sports because sports is extremely competitive, okay, one injury can leave you out, okay, unless you are rich enough or you really don't care and you're just going to focus on your sports and see where it goes. Okay, again, it depends कि आपके as parents or as a child आपका risk appetite कितना है. रिस्क एपेटाइट मीन्स एक बच्चा होता है बोलता है नहीं होगा तो देखी जाएगी, अगर मुझे चाय भी बीच में पड़े आई डोंट केयर, ओके। बट कई बच्चे होते हैं उनका रिस्क एपेटाइट कम होता है तो वो स्ट्रेस लेना शुरू कर देते हैं, बिकॉज स्पोर्ट्स में कुछ भी हो सकता है, राइट? किसी भी टाइम कुछ भी हो सकता है। एक छोटी सी इंजरी आपका पूरा साल खराब कर सकती है। सो वो आपको एज पेरेंट्स और बच्चे को अपना टैलेंट जो है वो समझना चाहिए। अगर बाय 11th and 12th वो नेशनल लेवल तक नहीं खेल पाता, then in any case he's out, right? Okay, there's no such thing as making money out of football by playing at the district or the state level. It's not really happening so much as the case in cricket, because cricket में the money is going down a little bit more, okay? तो अगर तू 11th and 12th में वहाँ तक शाइन करता है, then yes, of course, you can think in terms of focusing on the sport. Otherwise, make sure that he plays the sport, but also starts to show interest in studies. Then when it comes to gaming, to be honest, वो वाला period जो 10 years का था on gaming and app development, अब app development के लिए coding तो सीखनी पड़ेगी. So then I would suggest that humanities के साथ, children take this very lightly because they're fond of video games, so they start thinking, oh, हम gaming शुरू करते हैं. Right? Okay. That is not the way gaming is done. Okay. To get your, your app license, to go through all the clearances, for it to become a money-making thing, you genuinely have to be very good. Okay. With a lot of students from India who apply for getting their apps approved, and only one odd person makes it. So you have to make sure that he takes computer science if he is interested in that line. He can take humanities के साथ he can take computer science.
Okay.
But पढ़ाई को ignore करना totally, because like I'm a mother of a sports person, and my advice always is कि नहीं, जो बच्चे पढ़ाई छोड़ देते हैं वो बाद में बहुत ज़्यादा टेंशन लेते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा, because unless you are very rich and you have a business or something where your child can join. अगर आप के पास वो facilities नहीं है तो I suggest कि you have a conversation with your child, sit down और प्यार से बात करो. Sports is a very good thing. It's not a bad thing at all. But आपको अपना risk appetite समझना बहुत बहुत ज़रूरी है. और ये gaming starts from video games. I, as a counselor, am very strict and always tell parents, please do not let your children spend hours and hours playing video games. It affects the brain to a great extent, and this is what takes them away from studies. तो थोड़ा सा इसको control करना as a parent और इसको समझना as a parent. To take gaming to a professional level, आपको पढ़ाई करनी पड़ेगी, because gaming जब आप एक गेम को create करते हैं, जब आप गेम को खेलते हैं तो आप किसी के हार्ड वर्क पे खेल रहे हैं. जब आप एक गेम को create करने की कोशिश करते हैं, it requires very sophisticated software, which means that the child has to be very very good at computer science. So normally जो ये gaming में जाते हैं, they're normally students from non-med with computer science.
Okay, ma'am.
Or you can take economics, maths and computer science and hope to go to gaming. Psychology भी ले लेते हैं बच्चे.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have another question. I wanted to ask that are data scientists and data analysts on a high now? Like, will they get more preference, or like, will they have better jobs? Because I guess
data science. Yeah, data science. Yeah, sure, go ahead.
Yeah, I was saying, as my mamu is like in McKinsey, like the American-based company, he tells me about the need of data scientists there.
Yeah, data scientists and data analytics is going to become huge around, huge. Okay, that is where the future lies. That is why I like the idea of you taking computer science, economics, maths and computers, because what that does is takes you to, but what do these behavioral science and cognitive science, psychology students, they do? They basically get into data analytics. Psychology students will weigh out data from a human behavioral perspective, whereas the students who approach it from the engineering side, they will look at the back-end coding analysis and data analytics, right? So yeah, a lot of engineering students are doing masters in data science now. So if you manage to take maths, computer science, eco and psycho, frankly, you're good to go.
Okay, thank you.
Otherwise, Zorawar,
Yes.
if I don't know whether the school allows it, even if you can take physics, economics, computer science and maths, okay? That's also a brilliant combination. Because psychology, a lot of the top schools will allow you to take psychology as a minor. ठीक है,
Yes, sir.
so yeah, so it doesn't really bother you as ठीक है, but ये सब जो careers हैं ये internationally ज़्यादा popular है, इंडिया में तो
Yes.
सब we've not been able to adapt. And for this, you should be gunning for the top universities in the US. And for that, you should start preparing now, and try and get a scholarship so that the financial pressure on the parents is less.
Okay.
Okay. Good.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Who else? Yeah, Tanuj.
If you are motivating, it is a better option over
I
aerospace.
can't hear you, Victor. I can't hear you at all.
I am saying that if you are motivating, it is upper hand at aerospace.
I can't hear you, Tanuj. No, your voice is...
Can you text Taranjot?
Yeah, I can ask him to text so that I can
Yeah.
hear.
Taranjot, can you send the text in the chat box?
In the meantime, when he's texting, somebody else can ask a question.
Anyone else? और किसी को कुछ पूछना है?
Jasandeep, do you have any doubt?
Rashandeep?
Harkirat?
Harkirat? कोई डाउट है बेटा? नहीं. No, ma'am. Good.
My request or advice to all parents here and children here is that don't hesitate. Whatever doubts are there in your mind, do ask.
Yeah,
I'm
we'll
sure that
find
we
the
will guide
solution.
you.
Yeah, we'll find the solution someday or the other.
Ma'am, I am audible.
Yes, Tanuj? Yeah, now I can hear you. बोलो बेटा.
I want to say that if robotics is better option than aerospace.
Absolutely. Because what aerospace engineering is doing, beta, it takes you into a tunnel. है ना? बहुत कम job opportunities होती हैं, basically with the airlines. Okay. After the pandemic, the airline industry is totally shaken. Okay. In the history of the airline industry, would they have not suffered such losses? Okay, so obviously it will take about 10 years, 15 years for this whole thing to come back in full swing. Even if it stops for 4 years, the number of students who are passing out with specialization in aerospace engineering is piling up, है ना? जब तक आपकी बारी होगी, market में तो ये flooded engineers होंगे. So if you take robotics, with robotics you can in any case work in aerospace. Even with mechatronics, you can work in aerospace. So even with chemical, you can work in aerospace, right? Because they go in aerodynamic fuels and all that, right? So always choose an engineering field which is more broad-based. Because if it is more broad-based, if you want to come to a particular line, you're able to do that. But if that does not work out for you, then at least you have options. Okay? Okay, Tanuj? Yeah. But you know, ये जो आज जितना भी आप and who was the other Zorawar, right? Both of you are students who are talking much more internationally. Okay, India में even the way Zorawar was talking, even the way you are talking, Taranjot, बेटा ये scope बहुत limited है ना? अगर आप लोग बाहर की planning बना रहे हो, तो I would suggest कि आप scholarships के लिए try करो. Because otherwise बाहर पढ़ना becomes very expensive. तो अगर आप time से preparation start करते हो, तो obviously you can prepare yourself for becoming very, very powerful applicants eventually, right? Because ये high demand है to say, but such specialized programs में आप कहीं भी नहीं पढ़ सकते. You know, it's like आपको ठीक what you study is as important as where you study. Right? So, you know, if you're looking at the US, it should be the top 50 or the top 100 schools. If you're looking at Canada, it should be the top 10. Not कि जी Manitoba चले गए, Saskatchewan चले गए, वहाँ पे कुछ नहीं होने वाला, कोई काम नहीं है वहाँ पे, right? So, सिर्फ degree के लिए aim करना is not important. It's very important to plan this entire thing, and that planning should start from year 11. so that आप सिर्फ अपनी स्कूल की पढ़ाई नहीं करो but साइड में अपना स्किल सेट को improve करो, you know, which is done through certifications and through a lot of other things which of course like I said if you want we can help you with. ठीक है? Yeah.